All right, this is the second video describing the function of glial cells. Remember, glial cells are support cells of the nervous system. This picture here is D in your notes, and this is the oligodendrocyte. The oligodendrocyte is the blue cell there. The yellow cell here are the axons of the neurons. Now you can see kind of what the oligodendrocyte is doing. It's wrapping around the axon of the neuron, wraps around axon of the neuron of the central nervous system. So this is going to be in your brain, this will be in your spinal cord. And we learned earlier what is created by wrapping around those cells. That would be the myelin sheath. So oligodendrocytes form myelin sheath around neurons of your central nervous system. And remember, that's brain and spinal cord. All right. These last two cells are glial cells of the peripheral nervous system. Those last two cells are Schwann cells, and satellite cells. Schwann cells and satellite cells. So to orientate you here, you've got the yellow axon. You got the dendrites over here. Oh, you can't see them. But there they are, dendrites of the axon. And so we already have described the Schwann cell previously on a different video. The Schwann cells form the myelin sheath around neurons of the peripheral nervous system, and not just around the neurons, the axons of neurons of the peripheral nervous system. And remember, that creates the ability to do saltatory conduction or saltatory propagation down the axon, which is much faster. All right, satellite cells, these guys, satellite cells, these pink ones right here, all around here, satellite cells. Satellite cells control ion concentration. Around neuron of PNS. Ion concentration, what ions? Sodium ions and potassium ions. So Schwann cell, satellite cell are the two support cells of the peripheral nervous system. Oligodendrocytes, ependymal cells, microglial cells, astrocytes are all support cells of the central nervous system. And remember, these cells are part of the nervous system. They don't carry messages. They do mitosis, and they are very important to the survival and function of your nervous system. So without them, your nervous system won't work.